All right, so I just wanted to go over the practice test that I gave you out last week just to make sure that we're feeling totally comfortable with everything. So for problem number one, we want to get the speed of the buggy. And when we have a position versus time graph, let's just remember that we get the speed by calculating the slope. So in this case, for part A, the slope is going to be, I have 2 points, 525 and 0, 5. So we'll take the rise over the run. That'll be 25 minus 5. Minus 5 over 5 minus 0. And let's remember the units in the numerator will be meters. The units in the denominator will be seconds. So that's actually going to give us 20 over 5 for the number with the units of meters per second. And so for part A, we're going to get a speed of 4 meters per second. Notice the line slopes upwards, or it has a positive slope. What that means in real life is that this object is moving forward. Now, is the buggy speeding up or slowing down? Trick question. Neither. It's always at a steady or constant velocity. So it's at a steady speed, always going forward. And then for C, where did the buggy start from? There we read the y-intercept off the graph. It starts at 5 meters. By the way, the 0 in this coordinate is the time at which it's at 5 meters, which is 0, which means right when you start, starting position, it's at 5. Then for D, what is the buggy equation of motion? So here I've got the slope of the line, which is the speed. I have the y-intercept, which is the starting position. So we're going to write the equation as x equals the slope times the time plus the y-intercept, which is 5 meters. And then using this answer to part C, I really should have said part D. We're going to determine where the buggy will be in 10 seconds. So we're just going to plug in 10 in for the time. And so that's going to end up giving me 45 meters. And then when we go ahead and plot the velocity versus time, that's, again, this 4 meters per second here. And that never changes, so it's just going to be this steady, flat line, which I am really bad at drawing. So it's supposed to be flat. Really well done. 4 meters per second. All right, so that's page 1 of the practice test. We'll look at page 2 in the next video.